5 Cuisinart Air Fryer Review 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Ceramic Coating. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 9-in-1 Air Fryer with Premium Ceramic Coating. Powered by Turbo Blaze technology, it delivers faster, crispier results, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with whisper-quiet operation and 95% less oil than deep frying. The durable, non-stick ceramic basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup, while the spacious 6-quart capacity fits family-sized meals. Featuring precise temperature control, customizable preheat, and a chef-curated recipe book, it's perfect for meal prepping or quick weeknight dinners. From healthier fries to golden chicken, it simplifies cooking without sacrificing flavor. This isn't just another appliance. It's a game-changer that upgrades your everyday routine with speed, ease, and delicious results. Number 4, Dual Basket Air Fryer with Sink Finish and Toss Reminder. Meet your kitchen's new multitasking MVP, the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer. With 2 spacious 4.25-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes at different temps and times, without the guesswork. Thanks to Sink Finish technology, both baskets finish cooking together, so your meal lands on the table hot and ready. Love batch cooking? Sink settings duplicates your preferences across both baskets in a tap. From crispy wings to golden fries, 3 built-in presets make favorites effortless. Plus, the non-stick ceramic coating and dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup's a breeze. Whether you're feeding a crowd or just simplifying dinner, this air fryer delivers delicious results every time. Number 3, 6-quart air fryer with bake, roast, and keep warm. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 6-quart air fryer that does it all. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, baking a moist 8 cake, roasting a whole 4 pounds chicken, or keeping dinner warm until the family's ready, this Cuisinart powerhouse handles it with ease. With 1,800 watts of high heat performance and temps up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers golden, crispy results fast. 3 smart air fry presets take the guesswork out of favorites like fries and frozen snacks, while the bake, roast, and keep warm functions expand your menu. Plus, the PFAS-free ceramic non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, because cleanup should be as effortless as cooking. Big capacity, bold flavor, zero hassle. Number 2, extra-large air fryer toaster oven with digital display. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the extra-large air fryer toaster oven with digital display. With 1,800 watts of power and 14 smart cooking functions, from air frying crispy wings to slow roasting a whole chicken, it handles everything your family craves. Its spacious 0.95 cubic feet interior fits a 13-inch pizza or 9 bagel halves, while the wide temp range, 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, supports everything from proofing dough to dehydrating fruit. The digital display and integrated cooking guide make precision effortless. Plus, the stainless steel interior, dishwasher-safe accessories, and PFAS-free asterisk design mean easy cleanup and peace of mind. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it's built to last and love. Asterisk no intentionally added PFAS. Number 1, 15-in-1 extra-large digital air fryer oven. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 15-in-1 extra-large digital air fryer oven. With 1,800 watts of power and a spacious 0.90 cubic foot interior, it air fries 4 pounds of crispy wings, roasts a whole 13 pounds turkey, and so much more. 10 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, grill, and dehydrate, plus 5 smart presets make weeknight dinners effortless. The IntelliTemp probe ensures perfect proteins every time, while the included 2-in-1 pan, air fry basket, and reversible grill/griddle let you cook multiple dishes at once. No flipping required. From golden fries to juicy chicken, this versatile oven delivers big flavor with less oil all year round. Say hello to healthier, faster, tastier meals without the hassle. So, that sums up my 5 Cuisinart Air Fryer review. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great